Hi everyone, welcome back to the online English classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Girivayur. I'm Savitha Joseph, your English teacher. How are you all? Are you happy? Are you safe? Yes, I hope you all are safe and happy, healthy at home. Have you read the lesson, The Treasure Hunt? Yes, I know you all read the story, understood the summary, understood the main characters. Today, let us discuss the question answer session. We have two sessions. The first one is comprehension and another one is answer in detail. We'll discuss both these sections and you have to study. Okay, first you read, understand and study. Okay, let's start. Question number 2. Why was Jim worried about silver? Did Jim trust him? So here we can see two questions. What's the first one? Why was Jim worried about silver? Answer. Jim was worried about silver because he knew Silver's plan of cheating his own crew by keeping the Ender treasure for himself. Yes, we learned it. Jim was worried because he knew that Silver is going to cheat all other pirates. He is going to kill everyone and he'll get all the treasure for himself. So that's why Jim worried. And the second one, did Jim trust him? What do you think about it? Did he trust Silver? No, Jim did not trust him. Question number 4. What did the pirates find at the foot of a large tree? What did the men do after that? So what they found? Yes, at the foot of the large tree, they found a sailor's skeleton pointing its arm to a direction. That's what they found at the foot of a large tree. And the next question, what did the men do after that? Yes, so the men marched towards that direction. Which direction? Yes, the direction which the sailor's skeleton is pointing. So, what's the answer? At the foot of the large tree, they found a sailor's skeleton pointing its arms to a direction. So, the men marched towards that direction. Question number 5. Did the pirates find the treasure? What happened when they reached the spot? Children, did they find the treasure? No, the pirates did not find the treasure. The next question, what happened when they reached the spot? What happened? When they reached the spot, they discovered that someone had already stolen the treasure. Yes, we read in the story that the sides of that pit had fallen in and grass covered the bottom, which means someone had already taken the treasure. So, they couldn't find the treasure. When they reached the spot, they discovered that someone had already stolen the treasure. Next one, section B, answer in detail. See the first question. It's lucky you have me as your captain. It's a dialogue. Okay. It's lucky you have me as your captain. See the first sub question. Who says these words and to whom? Who says these words? Yes, you know. Captain Long John Silver says these words to whom? To his crew. So, Captain Long John Silver says these words to his crew. See the next question. B. Why does the speaker say that? Why does the speaker, here the speaker is Captain Silver. He said, it's lucky you have me as your captain. Why does the speaker say that? Answer. The speaker probably says that to build more trust in his men towards himself. In this dialogue, we can understand that this Captain Silver is trying to make other people trust towards himself. And other pirates also thinking that they are lucky to get such an honest captain. Actually, what is Silver's plan? He's going to cheat other pirates to get the treasure. And by this dialogue, he's trying to make others believe on him. So the answer is, the speaker probably says that, which means Silver probably says that to build more trust in his men towards himself. Let's discuss the next question, question number 2. Afraid of this, I could hardly keep up with the treasure hunters. So this is the dialogue from the lesson, the treasure hunt. Afraid of this, I could hardly keep up with the treasure hunters. Question A. Whom does I refer to here? Whom does I refer to here? What's the answer? The I here refers to Jim Hawkins. So this is the dialogue by Jim. Next one, B. What was the speaker afraid of? What was the speaker afraid of? Answer. Jim was afraid of Silver's plans to kill all his crew members and get the treasure for himself. So, Jim afraid about Silver's plan. What is Silver's plan? It is to kill all his crew members and get the treasure for himself. That is why Jim Hawkins was afraid. See the next question. C. Who were the other treasure hunters? Who were the other treasure hunters? Answer. The other treasure hunters were the crew members of the Hispaniola. What is Hispaniola? Hispaniola is the name of the ship on which the pirates travelled. Okay, so the other treasure hunters were the crew members of the Hispaniola. Question number 3. What kind of a person is Jim Hawkins? Support your answer with examples from the text. So here we have to write the character sketch. You have to write about Jim Hawkins. Answer. Jim is a young, intelligent boy who owns the treasure map. He joins with the pirates for treasure hunt and also afraid of Silver's plans to cheat other pirates. So what kind of a boy is Jim Hawkins? Yes, Jim Hawkins is a young and intelligent boy, is it? And he owns a treasure map. And other pirates and Captain Silver is joined with him to find out the treasure. And we know that in this story we can see this Jim Hawkins is afraid of Captain Silver. Why? Because he knows this Captain Silver's plan of cheating other pirates. So he is a young and intelligent boy who owns the treasure map. He joins with the pirates for treasure hunt and also afraid of Silver's plan to cheat other pirates. Children, I hope you understood today's class. Read the question answers again and study the word meanings also. If you have any doubts, you can call me and clear your doubts. And read the textbook daily. It will help you to improve your language. Okay, so we will meet in the next day with a new topic. Until then, take care and bye.